What is happening today, traders? We are going to be going over ticker symbol SoundHound AI, and then towards the end, we're going to give you a micro update on AMC and what it's doing. But SoundHound AI on the macro is within this bull trend that you have been chopping in, making higher highs and higher lows, forming nice bases, and then moving to the upside with a potential long-term target of $55 in the long term. However, in the short term, we're looking at $18 on SoundHound AI, and you're trading at 12. You had a nice green day, up 6%, 7%, right? However, you've made this kind of cumulative formation here, and on the short term, an inverse head and shoulders. Let's kind of draw that out here. So shoulder, head, shoulder. So just so you guys can kind of picture that, shoulder, head, shoulder, with the profit target of that. Being right around that $18 to $20 range. Now, you could also see this stock in a different light. You could see this as a potential cup and then handle with the breakout. I could see that as well. You could argue it both ways. Both ways it's bullish. So I love this look in general. You have a very nice accumulative structure. So even if it was that cup and then handle here, let's take that profit target. Cup, and then from the breakout of the handle brings you to $18. So SoundHound AI looks really, really nice on nice volume. You're now trading within this pennant. Let's go to the 4-hour. Trading within this pennant here. Higher highs, higher lows. On the 4-hour, just got a green flip on the MACD, which is beautiful. And that also takes you to $18. So that is the short-term resistance on SoundHound AI. Once again, you got a green cross on the weekly MACD, which when you got it, since then you're up a decent chunk of change. Let's do the math here. Curled up there. Up 41% since the curl up. And you should keep going here. I don't see why you wouldn't. Breaking above this range, testing it as support, and you look to see this do something nasty up to 18, which is a beautiful move. And in past times, you had gotten a almost 400% move from the green cross in the weekly MACD. Volume looks really good here, which I love on the breakout. So we're really just in a sit and see scenario for SoundHound AI. Beautiful, beautiful chart. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Well, let's go over to our girl Amy. AMC also set up with a beautiful double bottom chart here, guys. And there I go, messing up every single trend line I have just drawn. AMC is in a beautiful double bottom pattern, and on the micro, if you zoom in here, especially with the green volume bars that you're seeing, you have a nice inverse head and shoulders. Like when I say a nice inverse head and shoulders, I mean like a pitch perfect head and shoulders pattern here that will take you higher. No, I'm joking. That will take you up to that $5.50 range, which is above the $4 target that we have on AMC to begin to build bullish momentum. Because as soon as you get above $4, you will be above the midline on the monthly Bollinger Bands. You will be above the daily 200-day EMA. And you will be above this wedge pattern that you've been in since 2023. So there's a lot to have at stake right now on AMC. The mid band on the monthly Bollinger Bands are at $4.27 or $4.02. It's like 2.7. It's a weird fraction. A lot to love with AMC as soon as you do get above that mid band, because my conviction in this play is strong. I do believe AMC will be going up in the very near term future. I do believe once you go up, you will pretty much teleport to this $5.75 resistance at the Bollinger Bands. Once that does happen, you can expect them to begin to bulge, with the nearest resistance at, you would say 13, and then 18, and then 40. So this is set up pretty uniquely as a squeeze play here. High upside opportunity as long as you play and mitigate your risk on the downside. Of course, not financial advice, just a risk-on trader. But I like the stock here at these levels. And I think it's a win-win regardless. So please, please, please make sure you drop kick the like button, drop kick the follow button if you found value in this, because we're going to continue to cover AMC and continue to cover this upwards momentum that you've had here. The first green candle, 2 green candles in a row on the quarterly chart that you are now printing, with the quarterly MACD curling up. So it is only a matter of time, guys. The best is yet to come. That's all I have on AMC, guys. Once again, enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure to follow and like, and God bless. Enjoy, guys. Peace.